first match going quite comfortably the way of the Mumbai Smashers. Kwang Duong with another masterclass. Now he teams up with Amol and he takes on Ben Newell and Divyanshu Kataria.
Time in 0-0.
Suhas's
Game,
favourite
rally,
statement.
Fire. Point.
Well, luck does favour the brave, doesn't it?
Yeah, just seemed to be a little bit of
1-0.
a communication gap. Not quite sure who wanted to go for it. Maybe just getting a little help along with the net.
That interview was fascinating. Where Kwang Duong's father was quite critical,
2-0.
saying he's been underperforming, not up to expectations. आपकी क्या राय है?
Well, you know as well as I do, Asian dads,
Touch.
you can
Point.
never please them, can you?
Yeah, well, it's part of the culture, isn't it? We believe Kwang Duong can do no wrong,
3-0.
but his father has other ideas.
Point.
इनके कल्चर में भी होगा ना शर्मा जी का बेटा कोई ना कोई जो बेहतर कर रहा होगा.
बहुत सारे हैं ऐसे तो, बहुत सारे शर्मा जी के बेटे हैं, पर क्वांग डोंग सीनियर अभी चिंतित तो नजर नहीं आ रहे. दिलचस्प बात ये थी कि जब तेजस गुलाटी के खिलाफ भी मैच था तब भी टिप्पणी दे रहे थे कि और बेहतर कैसे खेल सकते हैं, even though it was quite one-sided, it was a walloping.
Since we're talking of players of Asian origin, and since I know that you take a lot of interest in sports history, you make a lot of YouTube videos as well. I'm sure you know, looking at pickleball as well, that there was in the late 80s a Grand Slam winner in men's singles who actually used an underhand service as well.
You're talking about Michael Chang, no? Against Ivan Lendl, I remember. He was quite perturbed by it. Almost of a similar age profile, and the kind of behavior Kwang Duong exhibits on court also. He seems pretty relaxed, just like Michael Chang used to be.
And yes, that's got to be the key. In any sport, you have to enjoy yourself. And the team which enjoys itself a bit more tends to do better. Mumbai have gotten a good start here, 5-2. They need to build on this momentum.
He's not even focusing on the match now. आज टेंशन नहीं हो रही इनको.
मुझे लग रहा है पिकलबॉल नाउ पर लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग देख रहे हैं. थोड़ी सी हिंदी भी सीख चुके होंगे.
He's probably watching it. Yeah, he just smiled. Maybe he's noticed that the camera is constantly panning towards him.
3-5.
यही तो खासियत आजकल ऑन द गो आप देख सकते हैं पिकलबॉल नाउ के जरिए, यूट्यूब के जरिए,
4-5.
वेव्स ऐप के जरिए.
And this is turning out to be a good match. Because they're matching each other stroke for stroke, now back on level terms. So Hyderabad Royals also fighting it out. This is what you want to watch in the last tie of the game.
Side out. Point.
ये तो लड्डू दे दिया था जो क्वांग डोंग ने निगल लिया.
Two early predictions from you. Who's going to lift the trophy? Is it going to be Chennai this year?
It's a fascinating question because yes, Chennai has been very strong. I'm a firm believer of the old adage when it comes to sports, and you've covered enough sports to know this. There is that entire fear of peaking too soon because there's a sense of overconfidence that comes in. I just hope that doesn't creep into their mindset.
Fair point, because I was just looking at the results. 4 matches won, 2 of them with a 5-1 scoreline, 2 of them with a 4-2 scoreline, so they really haven't been stretched yet. They need that one tough examination. Hopefully that'll come tomorrow.
8-5.
Which is why Harsh was so critical when they were 4-love up and they lost the grand rally when they could have gone for the kill.
Side out. Point.
अब मोमेंटम टूटा है. दिव्यांशु और न्यूएल ने सही समय पर एक टाइम आउट लिया. मोमेंटम एक बहुत अहम चीज हो जाती है स्पोर्ट्स में.
Point.
I'm also fascinated by the different kinds of serves that all these players have, especially the top
7,
ones.
9.
That little kick in that serve which they are able to generate from underarm.
Just look at the way he rolls his paddle over the ball to generate that topspin, that little bit of topspin that you can get. And that helps you during dinking as well, Devayan, because you know about the loop. It has a little bit more pace, but because of that roll, it lands where he wants it to.
What a great rally this is.
और अंजाम भी उतना ही दमदार था. Ben Newell with a Benny bomb.
Yeah, and the final shot was so good because he knew the two players were retreating. He always knew that he needed to target it at the feet, and from there Kwang Dong
8,
had no chance.
9. Side out.
ये तो
point.
रिएक्शन टाइम कितना होगा ऐसे रैलीज में? 0.01 seconds.
Absolutely. Some of those action sequences from the
10,
Matrix
8.
come to mind.
It's a game of patience and at the same time power. दोनों का एक इम्तिहान हो जाता है.
9.
And what's
10.
good is that Hyderabad aren't giving up the ghost. They keep coming back. It's a very tight contest, this men's doubles.
It's a 2-point lead now for the Mumbai Smashers. They had a 4-point lead before the timeout. So whatever was said in that
11,
camp
9.
is obviously working.
Side out. Point.
गलती अमोल से. और यहाँ पर अब सतर्क रहना पड़ेगा क्योंकि बेन न्यूएल उनकी ओर सर्व
10,
करेंगे.
11. Point.
Very good returning from Amol. Sending it deep and making it quite difficult for Divyanshu.
Absolutely. Remember, when you're serving, you can't take the ball directly on the volley after the return. That's an advantage that the receiver gets. Picked out. Who's going to blink?
Some great kitchen play in this match so far.
हाल ही में तो बहुत मीठा रहा है. मिर्ची कब आएगी? आने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी. मिठास में ही जीत हासिल कर ली.
And that was good work from Amol because he didn't blink. As you mentioned a couple of times, the let came into play. But that backhand of his
13,
put
10.
Newell in a very awkward position on his backhand himself.
Just on the line there, and then he was in all sorts of trouble. A slight little drop volley eventually.
11, 13.
Yeah, just taking the pace completely off that. Great work from Newell.
This is a high quality match. And it sets up match point for the first time for the Mumbai Smashers. Could this be the turning point? They've never reached 14 before this.
14, 11.
Another match point for Mumbai and another huge step in terms of the race to the playoffs.